HTTP clients meet AI agents in this week's hottest infrastructure tools. 10 open source projects reshaping how we build. Welcome to GitHub Trends. Enterprise API platforms charge $500 monthly for HTTP management. okhttp gives you the same efficiency for free. This HTTP client for Android, Java, and Grail VM handles connection pooling, transparent gzip compression, and response cache. Automatically. With over 46,000 GitHub stars, it powers millions of apps worldwide. The connection pooling alone reduces latency by 40% compared to vanilla HTTP. Why pay enterprise pricing when Square's battle-tested solution does it better? Star it if this saved you money. Enterprise data platforms charge $500 monthly to unify your databases with AI. mindsdb connects them free. This 39,000-star query engine lets you join MySQL with MongoDB and query everything through SQL. You get semantic search across live data, LLM-powered analytics, and agent workflows without paying a cent. Skip the $6,000 annual bill and deploy this today. Star it if this saved you money. 128,000 stars on GitHub. This free Anthropic repository gives Claude AI specialized skills you'd normally need a paid Claude plan to access. Skills are dynamic instruction folders that teach Claude to handle repeatable tasks, from document creation and web app testing to enterprise workflows and creative design patterns. You get the actual production skills powering Claude's document capabilities, including PDF, DOCX, PPTX, and XLSX processing. Fork it to build custom AI agents without paying subscription fees. Star it if this saved you money. GitHub Portfolio Builders charge $50 a year for static pages. This gives you a living 3D city for free. git-city transforms your GitHub profile into an interactive pixel art building where visitors explore your code like a virtual metropolis. Built with React 3 Fiber and PartyKit, it turns commits into visual architecture that actually responds to exploration. Over 5,000 developers have already staked their claim in this digital world. Star it if this saved you money. Workflow automation costs thousands per year. Flow, does it free. This visual workflow engine runs entirely on your hardware, laptop, phone, or server. Built in Rust, it processes 204,000 workflows per second compared to typical engines that manage just 200. That's 1,000x faster with zero cloud dependency. You get 900 plus built-in nodes, full data lineage, and it works completely offline. While Zapier and Make charge monthly fees and force your data through their servers, Flow-like keeps everything private and local. Star it if this saved you money. Modern browsers require a graphical desktop. Carbonyl runs Chrome right in your terminal, completely free. This Chromium-based browser supports WebGL, WebGPU, even video playback, all at 60 FPS through SSH. It starts in under 1 second and idles at 0% CPU. Over 19,000 developers already use it to browse on headless servers, saving them the cost of GUI-enabled VPS instances or paid testing platforms. Star it if this saved you money. Enterprise Service Mesh pricing runs $3,000 per node yearly. Cilium gives you networking security and observability for free. Built on eBPF, it handles Layer 7 awareness, replacing Kube proxy entirely while supporting advanced features like Integrat, ingress and egress gateways, bandwidth management, and service mesh. This CNCF graduated project packs over 24,000 GitHub stars, proving production reliability at massive scale. Star it if this saved you money. Kong Enterprise charges $5,000 a year for an ingress controller. This one is completely free. Ingress-nginx is the official Kubernetes ingress controller using nginx as a reverse proxy and load balancer. It handles SSL termination, traffic routing, and load balancing for your Kubernetes cluster with 19,495 GitHub stars, proving its reliability in production. While paid alternatives drain your budget, this battle-tested solution powers thousands of clusters worldwide at zero cost. Star it if this saved you money. PingPlotter charges $200 for network graphs. Gping gives you better visuals free. This Rust CLI tool graphs ping response times in real time across multiple hosts with smooth color-coded curves that make latency spikes instantly visible. Perfect for debugging intermittent connection issues that regular ping hides. Supports Windows, Mac, and Linux with simple brew install, gping or pacman sgping commands. The 12,500 stars prove developers prefer free tools that actually work. Star it if this saved you money. Enterprise agent orchestration costs $400 monthly. ClawTeam does it free. This Python-powered agent Swarm Intelligence turns one command into full automation with 11 specialized agents working in parallel. It's racked up over 5,000 stars on GitHub by replacing expensive workflow tools while giving you complete control. Whether you need web scraping, data processing, or task automation, ClawTeam deploys multiple AI agents simultaneously to handle complex workflows that would normally require enterprise subscriptions. Star it if this saved you money. Star your favorites and follow GitHub trends for more. Catch you next time.